Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will address a crucial topic for those who have undergone or are preparing for vertical sleeve gastrectomy, known as VSG. Have you ever considered what the most critical foods to avoid after this procedure are? Staying informed about these choices can not only ease your recovery but also ensure long-term weight loss success. After VSG, your diet requires specific adjustments that will promote not only health but also boost your progress on your weight loss journey. In this video, we will explore in detail the foods that may seem harmless but are often the real culprits post-surgery. Before we dive into the topic, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. This way, you will always be updated with the news guaranteed to assist you in the best possible way. Vertical sleeve gastrectomy, or VSG, is a bariatric surgery that has played a revolutionary role in the fight against obesity. But do you know exactly how it works? VSG is a procedure that involves removing a significant portion of the stomach, resulting in the formation of a narrow tube, or sleeve. This shape drastically reduces the stomach storage capacity, promoting a feeling of fullness with smaller food portions. By also reducing the production of the hormone ghrelin, known for driving hunger, VSG helps manage appetite. However, this physical change also requires careful adjustment to the daily diet to properly support metabolism and digestion. Adapting to a new way of eating is essential to maximizing the benefits of this procedure, laying the foundation for a successful weight loss journey. After vertical sleeve gastrectomy surgery, your relationship with food will need to undergo significant transformations. The right food choices are crucial for smooth recovery and optimizing the surgery results. Let's explore which foods should be avoided to ensure your body receives the necessary support during this new phase. Sugar-rich snacks. First and foremost, it is essential to minimize the consumption of sugar-rich foods. They can cause blood sugar spikes followed by sudden drops, leaving you tired and hungry shortly after. Chocolate bars, cookies, and cakes can be tempting, but avoiding a diet dominated by such foods is crucial. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives like fresh fruits, which still offer sweetness combined with fiber and nutrients. Carbonated and sugary drinks. Carbonated and sugary drinks are another group to avoid. Their consumption can result in gastric discomfort and bloating, very undesirable effects after surgery. These sugary liquids also exacerbate blood sugar levels, hindering not only weight loss but also long-term health. Flavored waters and unsweetened teas are excellent substitutes, keeping you hydrated without compromising your progress. Fatty meats and fried foods. Fatty meats and fried foods should be eliminated from the menu. These foods are difficult to digest and can cause gastrointestinal discomfort. Furthermore, high fat intake can negate the benefits of the surgery, making weight control more challenging. Opting for lean proteins like grilled chicken or fish can provide the necessary macronutrients without the harmful components of fatty meats. High fiber foods. Although fibers are essential for a healthy diet, directly post-VSG, care must be taken. High-fiber foods can cause a feeling of bloating and discomfort, especially shortly after surgery. Gradually, with professional guidance, you can introduce whole foods and raw vegetables to ensure adequate fiber intake without discomfort. Processed and refined grains. Processed and refined grains also deserve attention. Unlike their whole versions, these foods tend to have less fiber and nutrients and can quickly elevate blood glucose levels. For a balanced diet, choose whole grains like brown rice or oats instead of refined ones, which offer empty calories and less satiety. Avoiding alcohol. Alcohol consumption after VSG surgery is another practice to avoid. Alcohol can irritate the digestive system and significantly interfere with recovery and fat-burning processes. Additionally, it adds empty calories to the diet that offer no nutritional benefit and may delay weight loss success. Consulting a doctor is the best course of action to know when it is safe to reintroduce alcohol, if desired, into your diet. The set of foods highlighted above tends to negatively impact the post-surgery trajectory if not avoided. Therefore, monitoring your food choices plays a critical role in promoting overall health and optimizing the desired results. Navigating food wisely during this recovery period is undoubtedly one of the best decisions you can make for your future health and wellness. Navigating diet after a VSG surgery can be challenging, but some essential strategies can facilitate this adaptation. Firstly, meal planning is vital. Creating a weekly plan helps control caloric intake and ensures you are always stocked with healthy options. Consider using mobile apps to track intakes and find inspiring meal plans. Substituting common foods with healthier alternatives is also crucial. Opt for fresh vegetables and lean meats instead of processed foods. Whole grains are excellent alternatives to white bread and refined rice, bringing more nutrients and promoting satiety for longer. Finally, maintain regular consultations with a nutritionist. They can provide personalized guidance, helping adjust your diet as specific needs arise during your recovery, ensuring safe and effective progress towards your weight loss goals. As we conclude our discussion on post-VSG surgery diet, it's vital to reinforce the importance of careful food choices in this process. Remember the main foods to avoid, from refined sugars to carbonated drinks and fatty meats, and how small substitutions can catalyze smoother recovery and sustainable well-being. Success in your journey depends not just on the surgery but on the constant commitment to adapting your eating habits. With the strategies discussed, including meal planning and nutritionist support, you will be well equipped to face this new chapter of life. We invite you to share your experiences and questions in the comments section. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to the channel for more content and tips to support your path to a healthier life. Thank you for watching our video to the end. Your health and success are our priority. Remember to take care of yourself and make informed decisions daily. Don't hesitate to share this content with anyone who may benefit. See you in the next video for more tips and support.